Going to help the whole of them now.
Mr. Smith, what's up? I'm passing through. Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Oh Lord, oh you shave up man. So how is everything? Me come on and see them do the ceiling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, help out.
Father God thanks man, everything I go for goodness.
Going well
Yes,
so far.
Yes, ma'am.
So soon you can move in and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Give Father God thanks.
Just a little bit of time and
Yes,
then you know,
Yes,
paint up and do everything that is needed.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So any concerns?
Yeah, you know, me tell the people, me thanks ma'am for what you do for me, ma'am. I give them great thanks, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah man, once you appreciate it, you know.
Yes,
Them,
and thanks to my Father God bless you and guide you out to go and do that.
yeah, they will be happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If you forget to that, yeah, miss.
The tree, maybe the branches, just in case it turn over, the rainfall or something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me just do a little.
So, when you see the Miss Tania, you ask me when you can do me that solar and put it on you.
When could I do it?
Do my solar and I made them a solar before you put it.
Oh yeah, man. Remember, say we are gonna work it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember,
I said, I know, I tell Miss Tania, I tell you the truth, ma'am. You tell me by a question, ma'am. Alright, let's say, alright, 3 hours. Saturday?
yeah.
By a question, you say Friday. And by a question, like Friday, miss, work Saturday again, go by the next quarter question, miss. You know how much that cost me now, miss?
Yeah, man, I true.
Check how much it costs for my bucket now, miss.
Actually, it costs a lot.
We are going to about 4,000 in pocket, miss. And by when that done now, miss, by a weekend, if you come on, you go buy this question, miss. So that can that when you village make up, when you add up money in pocket now, miss, buy a question and you add up, miss. You can add up 4,000 in pocket, miss.
Okay.
In pocket, we hold out the bucket.
All right,
So
Maga.
we have our five 2,000 150 in pocket miss. Out 2,000. So that cost if me had a band up, you know me have to buy because me buy food to eat, mom.
Yes.
And you can see how to me, we can get our money out in bucket, we can get to doctor miss.
Alright, I'm gonna do a tour around here so to see what's happening.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania. I am here doing the update on the house, Mr. Smith house. This is the back. We're still waiting on the boards to dry for the outside of the house to finish up. Once it is dry, everything will work out. Oh my, I need to text the guy, read the windows. So I have to sort out the windows as well. This is the bathroom window at the back. So you see guys, everything is coming on naturally. We have a lizard there looking at me. Lizard always there about the place, right? So everything is coming on neatly. And this is the outside. Ooh, but it look nice, man. They're working on the ceiling, guys. So I'm going to go to the area that has been sealed already And they're now putting up the board to complete. You're going to complete the ceiling today, Mr. Powell?
Right, the ceiling?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to complete the ceiling.
Alright, so this is the window itself?
Yeah.
Wow, so when the window go in, man, yours are gonna look nice.
Yeah, man.
You're gonna have a nice window here, man.
The window way, yes.
Yeah. I didn't even realize.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Let me go from a distance to look at it. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Alright. So I'm going to go into the area that has been sealed already.
Hello?
Ooh.
Hello?
Oh, but I can't go in there.
No, you will block top.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, wanna say this is the V joint.
Yeah, I'm there now, dear.
All right, so they do it. This is the Solitex. So it is up there. So guys, by looking at this, you will see how the area is going to look by looking at it. And then I love the outside here, the board itself, looking really well. Yeah. Okay, and then that it is wood.
Yeah, you know people drink it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, look at this wood. Oh, it's a bitter wood you used to seal the thing.
Yeah, you know, I rip up the seal it.
Oh, to help seal it. Guys, I'm tasting the bitter wood.
The ants, the termite, they won't trouble that one, that's so easy.
They don't because it's bitter.
You see,
Oh.
remember we order some lot and we never get them.
From who?
You know the order. But they
Which-
never have none.
Which one are the hardware?
They depend on the order, but they never have none in a those time.
Oh, yes, yes.
So I have to turn my hand make fashion.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I have to rip up the tough food them that me have on some my 2x4. I have
Yes.
to split them with my electric saw. I have to split them at home.
Mm-hmm.
Like these, I
Okay.
may split them.
Yes, yes.
And those, you know, I may rip them from other board.
Mm-hmm.
Because they didn't have any, I say, alright. Even these, I may split some of these.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay. Because since I come in, I've been tasting the wood, and I thought it was a Solitex.
Good taste, man.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so
You know, a lot of people strip it.
this wood.
Yes, strip it and put it in water and it is soak and drink it.
Really? The bitter wood?
Yes, it's good for your health.
Oh my God. Let me smell it now like I touch it.
Yeah, man, a lot of people. If you just rub your hand on it and taste it, you find the bitterness in your mouth.
No, man, but I'm telling you, I'm tasting it.
Yes, it's good for your health.
And from a come, I start tasting in my mouth.
Yeah, it's good for your health.
And guys, for those who don't know bulla, this is bulla cake. You know, them eating bulla and drinking water. That's for lunch?
Yeah.
Bull.
We don't ketchup.
Bulla and water. Yeah, everyday chicken. Ah, I may have one pear home and I didn't know me carry it. Eh? What? Oh, when I did small, I never used to eat pear. But when I grew up, I said, no, so I have to eat back pear. It used to make me sick when I was small, I used to eat a lot of it. Why pear? No, man, when I was younger, like 10, 9, when I eat it, it make me sick. It make me, and stuff like that. But when I get big, like 16, 17, I can't eat it. You not eat egg?
No, miss. You get here with miss.
The only time I never eat egg.
Egg and pumpkin.
When me did catch the virus.
Oh.
Yes. Me just never want no egg for eat. You want the egg? Yeah.
Eat the chicken before we not egg, miss.
So you
Yeah.
eat chicken and you eat egg?
No, I take better. No.
If you eat one, you got one whole for it.
You want the egg?
I eat pumpkin.
What? I eat pumpkin?
No.
Pumpkin nice.
I don't want it.
Me love pumpkin crushed with butter.
Man, watch out. if you pumpkin in a food, if you cookie pumpkin and give me don't want it. To cook the food and to put the meat and leave the pumpkin water there, me don't want it.
Yeah.
That's way. Me don't eat it better.
Oh boy, if I get pumpkin right now, I'll see it me.
But you know you have people who blend the pumpkin seed?
Yeah, me do that. Yeah.
Blend it and make juice
Pumpkin
with it
itself.
and so.
Pumpkin with the pumpkin itself.
Yeah.
Once you want to make you one time, you know,
The part it dry and strip you out the shell, like hard something.
Yeah, man.
And I slice up a little piece of pumpkin with the seed.
Yeah, it tastes nice.
Nice man.
Now you want to man.
What's that me and me right now?
Now you want to big man. I listen me now. I treat me to you. You know what woman don't want time, you know. Man plan one year car pumpkin. And when man plan year pumpkin, brother. When man plan year car pumpkin, he go in chop pumpkin so book so. Pumpkin black.
Black?
Pumpkin black. You see him bust the pumpkin again so? Pumpkin black. You want that? Tell me my fan pumpkin.
So who say no the machete the dirty? Different type of pumpkin.
Yo, but man.
Hey, I left it at the ground. Yeah, because maybe machete can dirty, you know.
Cabbage, me I need cabbage. Guys, me no know there's a cabbage plant, and me not come buy for that man.
Oh, why?
Cause cabbage easy for pies, and you don't even know that.
Yeah, man.
I never know say cabbage is if it poison. I know say cabbage is a gas food. Anytime I eat it, I get gas.
Yeah, that's a good gas food.
Yeah, man, it gas me up. Pear pain me feel when I eat cabbage.
Cabbage and red peas and all.
Maybe I know man pumpkin for chew, yeah, man. Maybe I saw the grungy man going on. And then black up them pumpkin. Put something in there. Feed teeth, knock teeth it again. What, the pumpkin? No, but I never you chop it. So you can't eat it because that is not yours, you know?
Buy a market can come miss. Me no want it.
What, the pumpkin?
No, so me no want it.
Me eat up my pumpkin. Me love pumpkin. All in a soup.
Me no want it.
That's why I love the MAROON farming.
Yeah.
Me no eat it, brother.
Papa,
Eh?
I'm going to call it for pumpkin there. I'm on my veranda.
Yeah.
Eat it, brother.
The pumpkin. Pumpkin. Oh. Pumpkin nice. All in a soup.
Yeah, they call it takari. Pumpkin and chicken breast. They got the chicken breast fry. And cook long like, why you know what? Have it full.
Me don't want to. I cook a pumpkin rice, me don't want to.
Well, pumpkin rice nice, you know?
Me don't want to miss.
It's nice.
Me don't want to miss. Me don't want to miss.
Ah, good.
That's why you man produce.
How many
children you have?
How much children you have?
You don't
No, you don't have none. You say actually you're not eating pumpkin.
You not produce, man. That's why.
You don't want it. You don't want it.
You know,
Me don't want it.
I like the wrong food and the wrong food.
Me don't want it, sir.
No stamina.
You don't want it, sir. Me don't want it. Hey, I know something. I know something very good.
Wow.
You see the pumpkin soup? The pumpkin and the egg? Me don't want it.
The pumpkin and the egg. Pumpkin nice. Oh.
Kapayelo aswin time binapali pumpkin and the whole egg. Hey, show them na me blend with me jack and I send it.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
How much cup of face?
Good food, waste belly
Oh God.
Kappa, when me done blend that man, I come here me give some other kind of drink.
Strong, not you. Strong. I'll come out and come just at work I go.
When we get that here, I'm going to
You don't get it.
Kappa.
No.
You have a lady here, you have them juice, man. You can't drink them juice and sauce, sir.
No. But let me go buy Irish mash.
Irish mash.
No, that was the Irish mash alone that I get to drink. Why not? Irish mash. Yeah. As one sitting up more, that's it, you know.
No, man.
Yes.
Oh, that's the Irish mash.
It's like a grass.
Yeah.
Them you have certain seaside, they just pick it up.
I'm Jay.
Yeah.
Arrowroot. So, and Lindsay.
The arrowroot.
Yeah, arrowroot.
Yeah, you can pepper you.
Porridge, well, porridge, make it porridge. Arrowroot. Make oatmeal.
Me not drink like them the milk. Me not drink cow milk and goat milk.
You know, you drink it.
But me drink almond milk
Yeah, me drink.
and any other milk apart from
Any fat
goat
product,
and cow.
No fatty product.
Me not drink it.
You know, Indian scale soup.
Eh?
Indian scale. You know, drink it.
What kind of?
Indian scale.
What name so?
You know, Indian scale, man. No, man. You know, drink Indian scale soup.
Insecure?
Indian scale.
NT?
I want to something look like cocoa, they put a leaf, right?
Oh.
I want to people
You think what I said?
yeah, they are never seen the way I can. You know, I never seen the couple.
What I said?
What is
After that, gone pumpkin soup with me.
But pumpkin soup good.
You know what it is?
Me love pumpkin soup.
You know, drink it.
Of course, I'm going to go down some water for all the while, couple.
You know, cook it.
Boil and drink it sometimes steaming like a
Oh, I think me eat that before.
Yeah, water, Chris.
Yeah, me eat that before. But it tastes like, I think it tastes like kalalo. Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah.
What are Chris do for nurse?
Yeah, me drink, eat that. I think my mother cook it. You know eat it? Oh.
Kappa. A coolie people me go to some sitting a meet anybody it. Bamboo yet.
Bamboo.
Bamboo is bamboo.
Bamboo tree where is it grow there?
No,
How they eat the bamboo?
They set it for the young. They for the young.
Eh.
And you want to something like sardine pan or no milk tin.
Yes.
Or Alex pan and go put over it. So it and they grow turn on something like yellow yam. It looking
Oh.
like yellow man it and it and sweat. And you take it and peel yam.
Eat that the part.
Boy put it in pot and boil it. Thing in the yellow yam.
Eh.
Yeah, that's what Kappa. You don't know nothing yet. You know it nothing yet. Yeah. You are well for wild food already. You know get it.
wild food. No, sir.
Come on now, eat the wild food. Let me see.
Wild food, man. Why you know?
While sitting where they get feed.
You know. Big one. Oh, you know, it's
Kappa.
oh,
You know what we got already? Eh? 6.
alright. Hey, you want to see the hill? Yo,
What is it?
you want to see the hill?
Heel. You live in the water.
Hill.
You know what it is?
You don't take it away. You want to step on this focus on it. What you continue?
You eat that?
Listen.
May eat shrimps.
Oh, we got to get.
No, shrimps. Allergic to shrimp.
Oh, it swell you up and so? It swell up my daughter too, but she still eat it.
Yeah, back shrimp during everybody's asking for man living rich.
Mm-hmm.
Eh, feel back at the night.
And sure, it swell up my daughter's mouth. No, some people just allergic to shrimps, you know. No.
Shellfish, me night.
Sometimes by even smelling pine, it let people scratch or swell them up. And then I go near the pine. Eh? Yes, it's the same like the shrimp. Some people will just go near the shrimp and the shrimp just start with them stuff. As well as then taste it, eat it, anything. Alright, I'm leaving, Mr. Smith. Oh.
Ouch. You married, darling?
What you may I drop you? Ask me if I'm married?
No.
Why?
Because a lady like you not supposed to out have a husband.
I'm sorry, go your man
When
alive.
married and taking care.
Yes. So I'm leaving now. What final words you have to say?
These are many thanks. These are many thanks now.
Oh.
Alright, so take care.
And take care, man.
Alright.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of